Hello children, now 5th class mathematics 13th chapter. What is our chapter? Fraction. Say fraction spelling. Fractions. Fractions. So in that fractions too, we already learning now some classes. Yes. Now page number 122. Open it children. Textbook. Take out your textbook. Page number 122. Open it. See here. That do these problems. Do these problems. See, if one roti is divided among 6 people, one roti is divided among 6 people equally, then how much will each person get? So, each person get how much here? Total, how many people are there? 6 people. One roti is divided among 6 people equally. Among how much will each person get? Write in words and as a number. See, 1/6. Write the fraction, write in words and a number. Number 1/6. 1/6. These are both only equal. Understand? 1/6. Write down children. First one answer. I'm not writing the question children. In textbook to only having children in that page number 122. You will see that. Next one. If one roti is divided among 8 people. So one roti is divided for 8 people. So total how many people having? 8 people. So how much will each person will get? So one part of 1/8. EIGHTH. Not 8 children, 8th. Here also not 6th. 1/6. 1/8. Whenever we are writing the fraction in words, write this like one. Okay? Write down. So third one you will do that. If one roti is divided among 10 people equally, then how much will each person get? Write in words as a numbers. Same, this like only you will do that. Next one, now divide 7 rotis among 3 people equally. 7 rotis. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rotis for 3 people. 1, 2, 3. So 3 people. So first of all, each one get 1. So then 2. So each one get 2 only. Then again 1 only remaining. So in that one, we divide into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. So in this part now, we will distribute now. Understand? So how many full rotis each one get? Wait children. How many full rotis each children get? Each people get how many full rotis? 1, 2. 2 full rotis. 2 full rotis. So then second one. How many 1/3 rotis? 1/3. You will observe children. Not 1/3. 1/3. They are given no words. 1/3 rotis. 1/3 rotis. How many having? 1. 1/3 rotis. Understand? You will be write down children. So don't confuse. I am giving some hint for you. 1/2 not. In the words to writing is 1/2 we are writing. So I am giving that. Okay. Write on this. Okay. So don't confuse children second or two. See, I am giving some. So this one 1/5 second. So write on this. 1/3. 1/3. So fraction in words. 1/4. 1/4. For understanding purpose only I am giving. This one not having in textbook. Don't search it. Okay. 1/5. 1/5. 1/6. Understand all of you? 6th, 7th, 1/12th, whenever, whatever number having the denominator, so you will be like this one, okay? Understand? Next one, in that page number 123, so all of you write first of all this. Understand? Okay, good. So page number 123 now. See, what do you get when you divide 11/5? Here, what do you get? What do you get when you divide 11/5? When you divide 11/5. So, which number will get 11/5 will do it means 11/5. So, 11/5 will see. Answer 11/5. So, which line we are solving? Here equals to 11 divided by 5. 11 divided by 5. See here. 5, 11. 5 2s are 10. So here 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. See here. So, how many full note is they are getting? Write down first. Okay, we get how many full parts? This like only. We get 2 full parts and 1 only having no remainder. 1/5. So this one only denominator 1/5 part. 1/5 part. Understand? So we get 2 full parts and 1/5 part. So we are given now 11/5. This like that. So write down. Next one. What do you get when you divide 13/6? 13/6. So what do you get? See here. Understand all of you? Second one. 13/6. Same. 13 divided by 6 equals to 13 divided by 6. 6, 13. 6 to the 12. 13 minus 2, 1. So here also we get 2 full parts. How many full parts? 2 full parts. And 1 by 6th part. 1 by 6th part. Why we are writing 6th? This one only. Divisor only write the denominator place. 6th part. So write down. So next, so third one you will do, children. So fourth one, what do you get when you divide 12 divided by 5? 12 by 5. 12 by 5, which like we are doing, which like we are solving. So completed this? Okay, good. You will be try that. Third one. 12 by 5. So sometimes remainder is a very big number will came, one or not came out. So that time what which type will do? So we are writing 12 divided by 5. 12 by 5. 5, 12. So 5 2s are 10. So 2 minus 10. 2 minus 0. 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So 2 is remainder. Quotient is 2, divisor is 5. Understand? So here, observe carefully, children. We get 2 full parts. These two full parts and 2. Understand all? 2. 1 by 5th part. 5th part. 2 1 by 5th part. 2 1 by 5th part now? Yes. 2 by 5th also will be correct now. 2 1 by 5th also correct. Okay, next one. Page number 124 open it. Now let us mark these numbers number line. Number line. I will explain some examples for 2. So remaining you will be solved. Okay? Do you know, children, number line? So in previous class we already learning now number line. So which like we are writing the number line, which like we are using the number line. See here. Page number 124, children. Mark 1 by 3 on this number line. On this number line. 1 by 3. Suppose we are taking no number line. 0, 1, 2, 3. This type only we are taking no number line no? So 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means so 0 to 1. So we are dividing into 3 equal parts. How many equal parts? 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. In that 3 equal parts to, so first one. This is the 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So they are only given now already in textbook no? Same like that only. Mark 1 by 5 on this number line, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10. Observe here. See here, suppose 1 by 3. So mark 1 by 6 on this number line. I will say one example of this children. Number line. So 1 by 6. So it means 0 to see how many parts to be divided? 6 parts. How many? 6 parts to divide. 6 equal parts only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts. So this one only 1 by 6. 1 by 6. So in these two fractions too, which fraction is big one? Which fraction is greater one? So which is greater? 1 by 3 or 1 by 6? Some people are thinking, so 6 is big number, no? 6, say 1 by 6 only greater fraction. You are thinking no? No. So you will observe children here. So only 3 parts. This place only big now. Here more space having. Here small space having. So which fraction is big? This one only. 1 by 3 fraction is only greater than 1 by 6 fraction. Understand? So here adding now in that page. Do this. Which is greater? Which is greater? So which one is greater? See A1. You only say no 1 by 10 or 1 by 5. So which one is greater in these two fractions too? Whatever I will say in the before. So big number is not. Less number only no. This one only big fraction. 1 by 5 is the greater fraction. Therefore 1 by 5 is greater. 1 by 5 is greater. Understand all of you? So 1 by 10 means a small quantity only came now. Small space only came. So 1 by 5 is some big. But then 1 by 10. So next page. Page number 125. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 5 by 2, 9 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 10, etc. Or all numbers can be shown on the number line. So you will be try that on the number line. They are called fractional numbers or fractions. So which number is fractional numbers? These are fractions. So these numbers are called fractional numbers. Which number is fractional numbers? See here, try this. So below number is denominator, up number is numerator. So first of all class 2 only I will explain now. Down number is denominator, up number is numerator. See here, try this. Write the colored portion as fraction. Which fraction is the greatest? Which fraction is the smallest? See here, write the colored. They are given now some shaded part. So which line we are taking the fraction? We will discuss now. Okay. So page number 125 children. See here, first one. First bit A1. See here, total how many parts to figure? One part. One part. So how many parts will shading here? One part. So one by one. So one by one means one only. So you will remember it, children. One by one equals to one only. So B16. So how many parts to divide in this fraction? See here. How many parts to divide? 1, 2. So how many parts to dividing? That number only will be right in the which place? Denominator place. So where are the denominator? Down only now? Yes. So 2 parts to dividing now. So that number will write in the denominator place. So how many parts are shading here? 1 part. So 1 by 2. That number will be right in the numerator place. Upon only numerator. Next one. See here. See there. How many parts to dividing? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. So 1 part will be shaded. Understand? So 1 by 3 part. So same like that only remaining figures also you will check it and write the fraction. So which one is the greatest fraction and which one is the smallest fraction? You will be check it and write it. Okay. Next one. Which is greater? So first of all you will draw this. Which is greater? Second bit. Which is greater? 2 1 by 3 or 2 1 by 5. So which one is greater? Before only saying Raya. So in denominator place small number having that fraction only greater fraction. Therefore 2 1 by 3 is greater. Next 4 1 by 8 or 4 1 by 4. So which one denominator? First of all you will check it, children, in this fraction to denominator place. In which fraction to denominator is less having that fraction only greater fraction. Understand? Which denominator is big, that fraction only smaller fraction. Why? So they are dividing into that more parts only now. That's why less space only came now. So that's why that one is smaller fraction. Okay? Understand? So remaining also you will be find out. So I am saying another example. So B1 4 1 by 8 or 4 1 by 4. So which fraction is greater fraction? Whatever I am saying. So check the denominator place. Denominator place is big. That fraction is smaller. Denominator is small. That fraction is greater. See here. 4 1 by 4 is greater. Understand now? 4 1 by 4 is a greater fraction. So remaining also you will be find out. Okay children, and next topic and next class I will discuss. Okay children.